Long time no see. So today is Friday night, and we've decided to go out and go out to eat some food. When just people go to some bars or some clubs, we just want to try out some Vietnamese cuisine, and so we found some Vietnamese restaurant. Vietnamese cuisine is quite popular here in Russia, especially in Moscow, and there are plenty of Vietnamese restaurants in here. Vietnamese cuisine feature a combination of 5 fundamental tastes, which are sweet, salty, bitter, sour, and spicy, which is my favorite, to be honest. Since we had a proper look at the menu, so now we know that traditional Vietnamese cuisine includes the traditional soup, which is called pho bo, and tom yum, which is a spicy soup with some seafood. These soups are pretty tasty, and they just contain noodles. Usually they're homemade. Some beef, probably it can be prepared or even cooked with chicken, or some seafood can be also just included into such soups. And here in Russia, just a lot of people love this Vietnamese cuisine. They just even adore it. So these soups are just pretty, I don't know, like fulfilling, and you won't get hungry in 4 hours, I may say, after you eat such a big bowl.
It was a great experience for me, and we hope that you will enjoy this cuisine. So, see you in the next episode and enjoy your meal. Bye!